Hey guys, welcome back to FX Sword Art. A couple days ago, I completed Super Mario 3D World, so today I'm celebrating by showing all of you how to draw this lovely picture from the game. Okay, for this tutorial, you're gonna need a pencil or permanent marker or something to draw with, anything, and then anything to color. I'm using Copics, they work pretty well. So yeah, the first item we're gonna draw is a cowbell from Super Mario 3D World. So the first thing you want to do is draw an arc right above, kind of slanted like that. And then you're gonna want to put a point here and a point here, just like down a bit across from here, and then curve it all the way back. You want kind of a curve, not just like a line. And then do the same for the other side. Like that. And then put another arc, almost identical to this one, on both sides, like that. And then close them out. Okay, so, and then, you can do this if you want. You don't have to though. I'm putting a line here to indicate that there's an overlap on both sides. And then parallel to this one, you put another curve like that. And then sort of in the center-ish, more down, you're gonna put two ovals right there, and then one right next to it, like that. And then in the oval, we're gonna put another circle, like that, on both sides. I apologize for background noise. There's really no way to keep everyone quiet. So, yeah. Now I'm just coloring these in quickly. Okay, so we'll worry about details like stripes later, and on to our next thing. So we're gonna draw all of them first and then color them later. Or you can just draw one of them, skip to the one you want, and only draw that one, and then go to the coloring. So, okay, so for this one, the first thing we're gonna do is draw a big circle. It should be pretty even, like that. And then another one that's like 3/4 of a circle, I guess. Just like coming out of that one. Look at that. And this is the double cherry, by the way. Okay. And then draw a little stem out of it. And then another one that just like a little slant. And then do pretty much the same but inverted on this side. And then coming from this, we close that off, like that. And then close this one off. And then kind of like connect these, like that. And then make it go a bit farther out, like that. So there's just a line above both of them going a little bit farther out. And then put a little nub there. And then curve all the way back, like that. So it's a leaf. And then I put a line for an indentation right there. And then over here, we're gonna draw the same eyes pretty much anywhere depending on where you want them to look. Over here, just the same oval. And then one next to it. And then you can color them in like so. Okay. And then just do the same thing but a little bit more to the right, so he's looking that way, for mine at least. like that. Okay, like that. And that's pretty much it with the cherry. Now we're gonna move on to the next power up, the boomerang flower. This one's kind of hard because it has a lot of shapes on it, but yeah, it's just harder. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? So first, draw a line curving out like that, just very slightly slanted, and then do another one, not touching, but close to it, smaller like that, like angry eyebrows pretty much. And then curve it in like that. That's like the middle. And then do another curve like that. And then put a point where you want the bottom of the boomerang to be. And then curve it out again. And then same with this one, put a little arc there. And then curve it out again. Like that. Then you could probably add the eyes now. For the details in the boomerang. Add that again. Okay. Not the best eyes I've ever done, but it works. And then on this part, there's a little flag banner, weird blue thing. Okay, so now we're gonna do a stem like that coming out, and then another one about to the same point, and then coming back a line, and you can put it a bit farther if you want. And then coming out from here, you do a curve all the way to here. And then over here, we're gonna do about the same thing, except it's not gonna curve all the way down. Like that. And then you can add some detail like that if you want, and like that, I guess. And then we're gonna do the final thing, which is the star, the green star. This one's kind of hard because you have to like draw it out like that, or you can just like do it normally. So the recommended route would be to just do the star where you go down and then there. But I kind of know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna do it normally, where you just do that and that and that. And there, you kind of have a star. It's not the best. Probably would have been better if I just did it normally, but anyway, that's that. This is probably the simplest one. You just put eyes on it, and it's done. And there, we have 4 power-ups from 3D World, and that's it. Now we just gotta color it. And most of this you can just do self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. So for the cat bell, the super bell, we're gonna want a more orangish yellow, and then just a yellow, like then maybe a white. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we have a lighter yellow and a darker yellow right here. So it's kind of like a pattern-y thing. So from here to here, it's lighter yellow, that. And then from here to here, it's darker. And then just the stripes get bigger as you go down. So it'd be like that. That would be darker, or no, that'd be lighter. And then down here there'd be a darker one. Wait. Yeah, this would be lighter, that would be darker. And then down here it's just white. So you can color it in now. A bigger one. And we'll speed this up. Okay, so that was the cat bell. As you can see, my markers, they kind of like smudge the permanent marker a bit, but as long as you like color carefully, it should be fine. So with the double cherries, it's pretty easy. Like you could just do red and green. Like that's all you need to do. There's shading, but just to make it not complicated, I'm just gonna do red here and then green for the top part. Okay, so that was the double cherry. Now we're gonna move on to the boomerang flower. This, we're gonna use the same green from up here to do the bottom section. And then this stays white, and then this little strip here is blue. So let's do that. Okay, and that was the boomerang flower. It really makes it easier when there's like a ton of white on there, just saying. Okay, so this is just the easiest green. It better if it's a lighter green, probably, because they're shiny usually. So yeah. Okay, and that was the green star. So I couldn't really find a very bright green, so I just used one that was more yellowish, which you could do too. So that pretty much concludes the tutorial. There's all of them and coloring. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to see more in the future, please consider liking and maybe even subscribing. Bye.